Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can watch Hulu outside the US, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Hulu is a online subscription-based streaming service, similar if not the same as Netflix, where you can watch shows and series and movies online. Now, for licensing reasons, the Hulu application and service has been restricted only to the US, and the way that you can watch it outside of the US is with the help of a VPN. VPNs are virtual private networks which mask your IP address and give you a pretty much fake IP address, which then switches your geographical location, or it tells you from your IP address that you are in a different geographical location than you are currently. Now, you can use these VPNs to go around geographical restrictions, such as with Hulu, and the way you do that is pretty simple. You just subscribe or download a VPN. Most VPNs are subscription-based, and they are a monthly subscription with a fee of a couple of dollars, and most of them are inexpensive, so you can just go ahead and subscribe to them. However, there are VPNs with free trials and things of that nature, and there is also a lot of them that are free. Now, as you can see, Opera GX has a built-in VPN which you could use. However, you only have a limited amount of servers if you're using the free version. And what you want to do is just get a subscription. Pure VPN is another example of a VPN. Then connect to a server in the US, open the Hulu website, and just sign in and subscribe as you would in like you would if you were from the US, pretty much. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.